We just got done shopping at that Roses. They're renovating it. I think it looks so much better, and they had so many cute things. We bought a few cute things for our house, so I'll show you those, and we'll do a decorate with me later. But we're gonna go to TJ Maxx next and see what they have. Done shopping at TJ Maxx, picked out a really cute mug and a candle, and went to take the bag off the counter, and everything fell and hit the floor and exploded. Glass was everywhere and whatever, but it turns out they had issues with the bottoms of the bags just ripping open. So it wasn't our fault, it wasn't the cashier's fault, but wow, that was really unfortunate, and that was like one of the most stressful checking out situations at a store ever. One other time compares, and that was when we were trying to check out of they were having like a sale at Forever 21, and it took like an hour to check out because all of the stores had shut down. Shopping day would be complete without a trip to Goodwill. Definitely a good place to find fall fashion and maybe even decor, so we're going to see what is inside. Flowers we bought a few days ago. They're already looking a little rough now, but I have my pumpkin set out, and here is my coffee, and I added some creamer, some pumpkin spice creamer, and then added some of those little... So it is a few days later. We're going shopping again. I'm on the hunt specifically for two things, maybe a black skirt for this fall and a white cable knit sweater or cardigan. Feel so awkward filming in public, so I haven't filmed a lot, but I did want to show my bag that I got from Shein. It says fashion and bag on the front, so that's a little odd, but I think it's okay. And then on the back, if you wanted to, you could wear it like this. I got one for me and one for my mother, and they were only like $6, so I've been wearing that today. And I have my little thrifted, I think, Old Navy dress on. I wore my hair. I wanted to wash it tomorrow, so it's totally frizzy, and the weather is really humid anyway, so it probably would have frizzed up. We're getting a Chipotle now, a Chipotle burrito that we're going to split, and I bought a bunch of nice fall items. I found the white sweater that I wanted, a few versions of it. I ended up buying 3. So one that has red and white on, red and navy blue. It's kind of nautical. Oh dear. I got that one, and then I got a white cable knit like turtleneck, and then I got another one that has a hoodie and a v-neck, so definitely good for white sweaters now. But I could not find a black skirt pretty much anywhere. I might end up buying that online, maybe from Amazon. It might be better to just buy it online, so I'm gonna research that. But I am starving now. We've been shopping since like 1:30, and it's now 6 o'clock. So a lot of shopping, but we got a lot of nice things for fall, so that is great. And of course, I'll be showing that in maybe this video or maybe a separate haul video. Here's our bed all made up with this beautiful new kind of like a thin comforter that we got from Roses. And then I put all of the pillows, or several of the pillows from the other bed, in here for today. And then over here on the corner, I have this new flower box that I got for $1.99 from Goodwill, and this is what our little fall setup looks like in our bedroom. Very happy with this comforter. The weight is thin, so it's perfect because it's still hot right now. All of these pillows are so cute. The green one we got from Hallmark yesterday, and the one in the middle came from TJ Maxx. The white one came from Walmart, and then the three little ones came from Roses. So a combination of cute, kind of cozy, fun pillows with this look. And here is my little couch in my closet room. I have this adorable pillow that I got from Burlington last month in September. It's so cute, and I think it goes pretty well with these pillows and my throw that was thrifted, and the pillows that I got from Five Below a year or so ago. But this is so cute. And then the cool thing is, once Halloween is over and it's time for Thanksgiving, you can just flip it around and you have just a pink pumpkin. I have my vanity set up here, and I just wanted to show these two pumpkin candles. I have way too much stuff on here, so I do need to clear it off some. But the pumpkin candles, they smell so good. I got those from Burlington for my birthday, and then I got these makeup sets. These right here, and then these nail polishes I got from Gabe's for just like $3 for one and $2 for the other. That's so cool. So here's a bit of what I got for yesterday's fall shopping haul. Everything you can see is very fall oriented. So here's a couple of the thrifted items. This little like jacket and pants in these fall colors. These adorable pumpkins, and all of this bedding here was from Roses. They have such cute prints and everything available for fall. This beautiful kind of like a pumpkin color sheet set. These were from TJ Maxx. This beautiful tablecloth from TJ Maxx, pumpkins from Walmart. This one is from Roses. This one is from Walmart. And then these beautiful clothing items. So the top three were from Roses. And then this plaid dress was from Goodwill. So many cute, fun things for fall. I cannot wait to start decorating with these things and start wearing some of them as well. We also stopped by the Cracker Barrel, which seems kind of like a fall type of place anyway. Definitely a fun place to eat in the fall. They had this hand and body goat milk moisturizing cream. This smells very good, and this one is in caramel pumpkin spice. And then this is so adorable. It's a slice of pumpkin pie lip gloss. If you collect cute little lip glosses, this is so much fun. So cute. And then we went by the Dollar Tree, and I found some fall items there. I think this looks a very fall themed smoky browns eyeshadow palette. I thought this looked like pumpkin puree, perfect like fall color. And then this scrunchie, I thought that looked very fall themed as well. So a lot of cute items from yesterday's shopping trip.